Hello, Will. I wanted to give you an update on everything I'm working on here. So I wanted you to see this little app called WatchMe, and it's pretty cool. So what it does is it actually allows you to record events that you're doing on your NeXT and then play them back. And it'll show, here we go.
Welcome to a brief demonstration of watchme. Watchme creates tapes by recording the screen activities and sounds of a work session to disk. You record a session explaining what you were doing while you were doing it. When the tape is played back, viewers hear your voice while seeing what you did. Watchme is great for creating instructional materials or for documenting your custom applications. This demonstration itself was recorded and is being played back with watchme. The most important element in the watchme application is the recorder window. Using this window, you control the recording and playing back of tapes in a fashion similar to a tape recorder. To load a tape into the recorder window, you use the load command from the tapes menu. Notice how the tape icon appears in the tape wall whenever a tape is loaded. You can eject the tape by pressing the eject button. To record a new tape, just press the record button. A new tape will be loaded if needed, and recording will begin. Other controls in the recorder window are the stop button, pause, play, and fast forward. The thumb wheel on the right-hand side of the recorder window controls the volume during playback. It is also possible to load a tape by dragging a tape icon from the workspace into a tape well. By bringing up the inspector panel, you can get more information about the tape. The inspector will tell you the location of the tape in the file system, how long it is, how much disk space the images and sound components take. Using the inspector, you can also set a tape to automatically start playing when it is open, to compress a tape, or to specify the sound format that it is in.
Okay, so it's a demo. I do have a license, and I'm going to see if I can get it working for you, because it's really cool. It's got a bunch of different applications. It kind of gives you an overview from the original developers on how to use it. So let's go ahead and see if I can shut it off, and then I'll kind of go through everything else I'm working on here. Okay. So basically, this is your NeXT Turbo Color, and this monitor's great. I've let it run here for about 12 hours. It seems to be in excellent condition, cosmetically as well as mechanically. And then I've got your NeXT Turbo Color over here, and the printer. The printer is printing, and I ordered a couple new EPS cartridges. It'll be here in the next couple days. It's having an issue, and I think it's due to the cartridge itself. I've learned a lot about ink cartridges. Printing hundreds of different pages, and I'll show you that here in a second. But the Arctic fan I installed is nice and quiet. We got new caps on the motherboard, and I'm including a 2 gig drive, an actual hard drive, because if it's going to be used as a print server, I trust it more than the SCSI 2SD. For doing multiple print jobs. I'm not sure how much you're going to be printing, but just in case. And then it'll have the SD hooked up to it in addition. So you'll have 2 drives internally, which is kind of cool. And let's see, now I'm going to try and do everything. Here's your keyboard. I got your mouse. The original box, this 17-inch monitor that's going to be for your cube. It checks out beautifully as well. Here's a bunch of